Hmm? A very warm welcome to you. I must say that we are really delighted to have you today. And no doubt this is a virtual program, right? But very soon as the things come to normalcy, we would like to have you at school. I remember having you once in our school, and very soon the things come to normalcy and you'll be back to our school. So very warm welcome from Universal High School, Aurangabad. Children are actually waiting to listen to your story, listen to your journey, because at such a young age, you have achieved a lot. So congratulations for that, and congratulations for doing so good at this young age and making Aurangabad proud, I must say, because you belong to Aurangabad. Aurangabadkar, right? Yes.
Yes.
Gitika, if you can welcome, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the In Conversation with session. I'm glad to welcome our guest, Mr. Swaraj Sarkate. He is a renowned singer. He is also a live performer, actor, and music producer. We are obliged to have him here and would like to know more about him. I request our principal ma'am to introduce sir and tell us more about him.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gitika, for a warm welcome. Uh, I would like to, first of all, tell Swaraj that this program, which is known as In Conversation with, this is a special program which we started last year. And this is the 23rd series today, which we are having with you. And in this In Conversation with, we normally call the famous personalities from Aurangabad, from all over India, and at times from the international level as well. And today we are glad to have you with us, Vida. To tell you all children, Mr. Swara Sarkate is a singer, is a live performer, actor, and also a music producer. When we talk about him, he was born in a musical family, and when he was 6 years old, he sang a song and played a song on piano, which was cherished by the audience. And since then, his musical journey began. He also enjoyed doing that, and he is still enjoying it. He also has a career in acting. He performed in street plays at school to start with. He performs 1 or 2 act plays in the theater, acted in more than 15 theater plays, solo or group, and is also blessed by a well-known director and actor Ashutosh Gowarikar and many more. Along with his friends, he started a theatrical group called Netyavali in Aurangabad. So that's also doing great. I've heard a lot about this theater group as well. His first live performance was with his guru, his father Pramod Sarkate, at a very young age. And he has performed with many famous playback singers. I would not like to take the name here. He will be sharing the names with you all. Okay. He's honored, at Savarkar Vishwa Sahitya Sammelan, Indonesia. Then Marathwada Yuva Swar Ratna Samman, Bal Gandharva Samman from Pune, Jai Hari Vitthal Ashadi Samman, and Lokmat Event Excellence Award. This is the latest one which he has got. I'll say that now, at this point of time, we would like to have in conversation with Swaraj and want to know more about him at this point of time, right? So I'll stop my presentation and I would like to have Swaraj, discussing with us how it all started and how it is going and what are his future plans, right? Swaraj, a very warm welcome, first of all. And I feel very privileged to say that he is my student. And, that gives immense happiness when you see your student doing well. So very good, proud of you, Swaraj. And looking forward to the day, when all others, those who are here, they also are invited in this In Conversation with series. Yes, Swaraj? Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes.
Yes. First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for a wonderful introduction. I really loved to be here today. It's my honor to be speaking in front of Seema ma'am because she was my first inspiration in school. When I was in Vice Theatre, she was my principal. Unfortunately, I left the school in sixth, but still she's my inspiration, and it's my honor to be here today.
We are glad to have
And
you. We are glad to have
yes,
you here. Yes, Swaraj. What we'll start with is with your family. Tell us more about your family to start with.
okay. Well, first of all, I belong to a musical background. Uh, I was born in a musical family. My buddy uncle, his name is Rajesh Sarkade, and
Right.
he's a performer and singer. And also my father, Mr. Pramod Sarkade. He's a great
Right.
singer and music director. We have our own studio in Aurangabad, recording studios. And since I think so, since I was 6, I started playing and singing. My first instrument was a little Casio, which I played when my father had an opening of our musical academy by the hands of Padma Shri Anupji Jalota. And at that time, I was so young. I wasn't knowing there's a
Yes.
huge audience. I wasn't. I was having a fear, stage fear at that time. So everyone were there. Audience was there, and stage setup was ready. And Anupji was gonna come. He was in the hotel. He landed, and he was gonna come to the program. And I was like so small, so I was just roaming here and there. And then I went on stage, and because I was having that attraction, whenever I see an instrument, I have that attraction. I want to go and play that instrument. So
Okay.
I went on. I saw that keyboard over there. So I went. I played, and suddenly I think so. I played Sare Jahan Se Acha that time. And suddenly audience started clapping, so I got a little bit scared.
Right.
And I was like, yeah, so what's happening? And then one person from audience said that these clappings are for you, so continue playing. Then I continued playing, and since then my journey started.
Lovely. Lovely, beta. Coming to this, you started singing at such a young age, right? No doubt when we talk about our guru, we normally say our parents, right? To start with. And for you also, it's the same thing because you had your
Yeah.
uncle and you had your dad who were like in the family. So you started singing with them. But besides them, who are an inspiration for you?
Well, my first inspiration is obviously my father,
True.
because since childhood I have been learning so much of things from him. Rather than music also, how to be humble, in
Yes.
spite of being in such a glamorous field, how to
Right.
be humble with people. I have learned so many things from my dad,
I do
and
agree
I'm
because
still
he was my colleague. He was my colleague
yes.
at one of the school, and being humble and being kind, I think is the best quality which he has, and which I think you're also going to imbibe in you, right, beta? Yes, that's good.
Yes.
Okay.
Apart from my family or my father, the second guru, I think after my dad, is my mother.
Okay.
Doctor in MGM Medical College.
Right.
My mother is a doctor, and my mom or dad never gave me a pressure like you should be a doctor or engineer. Like I got that freedom to choose my own field in my career. I got to choose the career. So I'm really glad that I got that freedom from my parents.
Right.
Apart from my parents, the third guru apart from my parents are, I think, Padma Shri Suresh Ji Wadkar and
Okay.
Padma Shri Anupji Jalota.
Okay.
Yes, because I have seen them since childhood. The way they sing, the way they perform,
Yes.
and
Right.
it's like I personally call it's like God level, because when they
Right.
sit and perform, it's like Aradhana
Oh,
of. So
great.
I'm blessed to
Yes.
get teachings from them. I'm really blessed.
Right. No, it's I always believe that to get a good guru, is a blessing in disguise, basically, because that is one thing. You may be talented, you may be gifted, but the thing is, if you don't get the right direction from the right guru, then it becomes difficult to actually go ahead, right?
Well, you should have a guru who will, take you to the right path,
Right. Yes.
and not only in career also. You should, be kind and humble in whichever field you are,
Yes.
because then only a person grows.
Very true. Very true. Now, when it comes to the list of your achievements and your awards, it's a big list, right? And the
Yes,
recent one was the Lokmat one. When we saw your photograph, and I was so happy. Yes, Swaraj got it. Now the thing is, what are your dream? Now this is what you have achieved. Now, what are the future plans?
Okay. Well, whatever I have achieved until now, these are just kind of petals.
Right.
I need to
humble. That's being humble. Very good.
Yeah. These are like I want to grow more. I want to reach at such heights.
Right.
Future plans are like apart from music, I also like acting, and
Yes.
I am acting person in acting.
I was coming to that, Swaraj. I was coming to that because when I was going through your profile, I was like, okay, fine, singing. But the thing is the acting. Now, when it comes to the acting, how did it start? How did it start?
Well, basically, from childhood, I was fond of, seeing actors.
Okay.
Seeing actors on and I really, in childhood, I used to think, how would I look on screen?
Right.
Or how would I look in front of audience while doing the act?
Yes.
So I wanted to try that. And we started our own group in Aurangabad.
Okay.
It's called Natya. Yeah, and we started doing 1-act plays, 2-act plays. And after our first show, we did a 1-act play. It was its name was Artificial Intelligence.
Oh,
it was written.
Okay.
It was written by Marathi actor Praveen Terde, and yes. And it was my first acting on stage.
Okay.
And we a huge response for that play. Like the theater was totally
Is it
houseful.
Marathi theater or Hindi theater?
It's mixed. Hindi and Marathi.
So, like you have a number of student individuals who are part of this theater group.
We have like number of 50 to 80 students.
Okay.
Like, yeah, we have a total number of like the main group is of 20 to 25.
Okay.
But we have volunteers of around 80 people. We have. Like,
so when it comes to the theater, you perform in Aurangabad, no doubt. How is the crowd? How, because I have seen like in Mumbai, there is lots of craze for the theater, whether it's Hindi
theater.
or Marathi. No doubt Marathi theater is doing far better than the Hindi theater.
Yes.
Because Marathi is really a very expressive language, right? So Marathi theater is much, much better. But my question is like in Aurangabad, is the crowd, are you able to pull the crowd for this Marathi theater and Hindi theater?
Like we were scared to put a theater show before, because there were before lockdown, before Corona, before COVID-19, theaters were pushed off. Like in Aurangabad, every theater were closed because due to some maintenance,
Yes.
due to like there were sort of number of issues, and we were scared to put a theater show. But we did put a theater show and we got a huge response. And then we got to know that Aurangabad's audience is like, what we say, Kansen jisko bolta hai. Like,
Right.
we have that audience in Aurangabad. We have that
Okay, we
audience.
do have, yes. Kala Premi, hai na? Hai na?
Kala Premi.
Yeah, so do your theater performs in the other cities also? Do
Yes.
you move with your group?
Yes. We have performed in Pune, and we were gonna perform in Mumbai soon, but second lockdown started.
I
And
know.
and
Now
last
the
month we
things are
performed in
coming to
Aurangabad.
normalcy. Now you can move. Now you can move,
Yes.
isn't it?
Now we're,
And you can perform. That's very good.
and
Yes.
Yes, and I wasn't new to Aurangabad audience. I wasn't
Right.
new to Aurangabad because of my dad. When I
Right.
started performing on stage, I wasn't new. I got that love from Aurangabad audience earlier.
Right.
So when I performed in audience knew who I was. Audience already knew who I was.
Right.
So that love or that cheering from audience wasn't new for me.
And you could
But
connect
I
with the
really
audience.
loved,
Mhm.
yes, I already got connected with the audience many years back. So
Right.
yes.
That's great. Coming to the next things, when I was going through your profile, I came across something, which made me more, on the, put me in the thought process. Instrument playing. If it's talking about the instruments, like you have stated that you play many instruments, right?
Yes.
Can you throw light on that? Can you share that with the kids over here? Yes.
Well, the first instrument I learned was a keyboard and harmonium.
Okay.
Yes. First of all, I'd like to say that my father says that it's very important in music that you have to learn Hindustani classical.
Right.
Because classical is base of music, and you have to learn Hindustani classical before entering into this field. So I started Hindustani classical since a very young age, and that's why I'm fond of harmonium or Indian instruments basically. Even I learned to play tabla.
Okay.
Yes. So kind of Indian instruments and Western instruments. So I know like more than 25, and I'm still learning.
Oh, that's great. Great to know. And the thing is, normally, playing the instrument requires lots of practice. It's not that looking at the guitar, we feel that yes, I can play. Right? It's not that easy.
It's not that. And to be honest, guitar is my favorite instrument. Likewise, whenever my father performs on stage, he'll always play with a harmonium. Harmonium.
Yes.
And whenever I carry a guitar with me. Because while we get that soothing, like even if kind of there are some technical issues, even if a musician stopped playing, or even if there is a sound technical issue, we have our own. So yeah, and guitar is my favorite.
Guitar is your favorite, and I think that as a singer you need to know one instrument because that enables you to be in tune, basically, right?
Yes, basically. I'd say that even if you are not in music field, a person should at least know how to play a single instrument in his life. I'd really suggest that if you are not in music field, at least a person should know how to play a single instrument. He should learn, because music is a what we can say, music is a therapy.
Okay.
Whenever
and it acts as a stress buster.
Exactly, it's a stress buster. Whenever you're happy, you listen to music. Whenever you're sad, you listen to music. Music is surrounded. Like, we are surrounded with music. So at least a person should know how to play one single instrument.
Exactly. So children, you should start thinking on learning at least one instrument. Keep singing, and if you are not good at singing, at least keep listening good songs. That's also the need of the art. I know
type of arts. Also, listening to songs, that's a different type of art, because how to listen and what to listen, that is very important. Very important.
True. Very true.
Because listening to Lata Didi, Lata Ji, or Kishore, or Rafi Sahab,
right?
Listening to them, like always, we feel so wonderful listening to them, because they have created so much of history in Indian Bollywood music.
Right.
But we can't always listen to, DJ songs, or if Badshah is singing.
Those are one-day songs. Those are one-day songs.
That is one.
Isn't it? You sing and then
those are one-day songs. But whenever we listen to Lata Ji or Rafi Saab, we won't get bored. Even if we there are new singers like Arijit Singh, or even if we listen to,
right,
don't get.
Very true. I agree.
Yes. So listening is a
It's also
tough.
an art. It's also an art,
Yes,
isn't it?
it's also listening is also an art.
Right. So it's like playing instruments, right? Then singing and listening, isn't it?
Yes.
And I
Yes.
think, all these things being, I think being human being, we have got the chance to have all this and enjoy
Exactly.
all this, isn't it? Hmm?
Yes. Yes.
Very true. Now coming to the next thing. Now, when I was going through your profile and when we had discussion with you and your dad, it was like you also are interested, being responsible towards the society, isn't it? You also
Yes.
want to work for the society, and that's being very kind, I must say. So how do you go about it? How do you go about it?
Well, this thing also I learned from my dad. Keeping commercial side aside,
Right.
every is like we have been commercial. We are being commercial nowadays, but you should be social in your life too.
Yes.
I performed with my dad in Arthur and Yerwada jail in Mumbai and
Okay.
Pune.
Hmm.
The who jails.
Okay.
Like, yeah. So it was a social program, and
Hmm.
there were a lot many people in those jails who loved the program. We think like there are every type of criminal in there. Yeah, but there's some kind of humanity over there.
Exactly.
I think some kind of humanity, and we should bring that up, like doing social calls.
Yes. I think, correct, correct. Being a criminal also, the thing is they are human being, one thing. And on the spur of moment, they must have committed that crime. But otherwise, they are being human. So I think we need to do something. But what was the feeling like? Did they come and speak to you after your performance? Did you get the chance to interact with them?
Like my father, he performed very well. He was like
Yes.
number one, but I was little scared because they were all in a white color dress and all that, and they were sitting in. I was kind of scared ki yaar, like there are a lot many criminals over here. How can I perform in them?
Yes.
And then my father told me, just be relaxed, and
Yes.
they are also human.
Correct.
So we performed. That was a patriotic program
Okay.
which we. Yes.
So देशभक्ति जगाने के लिए आपने वो
Yes.
program किया.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So when it comes to all this, right? Fine. Schooling, college, and this. Now, when it comes to all this, normally the parents say, "Beta, studies बहुत important है," right? They say, and they will continue saying so. And every parent will say, "See, I can see the smile on the faces of my kids over there." Parents तो बोलेंगे ही मैम, पढ़ाई बहुत जरूरी है. Lekin when it comes to all this, like you are passionate about singing, you're passionate about acting, you're passionate about performing on the stage, right? And since your parents were also in this field, it was much easier for you to move on and get into this, right? But if it is like, let's say that no doubt your mother is a doctor, right? And father also in a certain extent, right? So the thing is, still they wanted you to become a singer actor, right? And you also, since you also wanted, you got into it. But what will be your this thing, what we say, how can you guide these kids wherein the parents may be doctor and engineer, but they are more passionate about singing? How to go about it? What should they do?
If they are interested in
Yes.
music career, okay. Well, I'd really suggest, you don't have to leave your education for any kind. Education is must.
Yes.
I have been taught that since childhood, because I am taking degree. I am done with my graduation in English literature and music.
Very good.
Like, did my graduation in music.
Correct.
Only because I love that thing. So I did in English literature and music, and now I'm pursuing for my post graduation.
Right.
Like it will be over this year, and you should have a educational degree.
Correct.
And apart from that, if you're interested in music, then without like it's a rare case that you have got a God gift. It's really a rare case. But if you want to do a career in music, then you'll have to learn.
Yes.
Because what I think is, whichever field it is, you have to do a hard work.
Right.
Whichever is hard work is must. And
Swaraj, I would like to add over here, it normally looks very nice, when the person is performing on the stage and everybody appreciating. So, the kids get, wow, this is a very nice field, on the spot, I get appreciation from everyone. But the thing is, there is lots of hard work behind it, right? Getting up early in the morning, riyaz karna padta hai. Tell us about that.
Exactly. The hard work starts from morning itself. Because to be honest, I don't like to wake up in the morning. I'd be honest with everyone. I don't like to wake up in the morning, but I have to because I know hard work is must.
Right.
I have to wake up around 5.
Very true.
5 to 8, I'll have to do riyaz. Like, yeah.
Yes.
Pehle ke zamane mein, like there were gurus who used to go and they used to sit in the lake and water ki depth, it was until here, and then they do riyaz.
Oh
Yes.
My God.
To do. But now the era has changed.
Yes.
There's a modern era, so we know how to. There are a lot more new techniques of riyaz in this. So we don't have to go to lake. We just have to wake up in the morning. We have to turn on the tanpura and we have to start riyaz.
I can see some musical instruments right behind you.
Yes, I have
Yes. Your favorite guitar is there, sitar is there. Can you play something for us?
Yes, I'd love to.
Please. Just go ahead.
Just complete this and I'll play a song. And whichever field you are, you have to do hard work. I'd really say there's no magic in this world. There's magic within you. And to unleash that magic, you have to do hard work.
Well said, Swaraj. I'm proud of you. Proud of you, Bacha. Yes. That's
and well, this was my journey to waking up from morning to getting kind of achievements until now.
Right.
Well, we have a dandiya every year in Aurangabad. Prozone Mall ka jo dandiya tha, we started that dandiya.
Okay.
Yes. Then we shifted to Lemon Tree Hotels.
Achha.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So we have the biggest dandiya in town.
Very good.
So yes, and due to COVID, we could not do for 2 years. But next, I'd really like if our children would join us.
Sure. They all go, so they will prefer coming to you. Sure. Yes. So which song you're going to play for us, and which instrumental instrument are you going to use?
Well, I'll just say what I said earlier, that Hindustan is important.
Yes.
I'd like to perform one classical song and one English song. If that would be okay.
Sure. Yes, for sure.
Yes. So
Yes,
I'd first perform a Hindustani classical.
Yes.
It's because we have a vast things in classical music. Classical music is so vast that it's like it's like that Ghera Samundar.
Correct.
It's like an ocean. Like it's never ends. It never ends. It's so vast. And I'd like to say I'm done with classical music. I have done Visharad in classical music.
Okay.
Yes. So yes, I'd like to perform a Thumri.
Okay. Yes. Just go ahead with it.
लब पर आएगी गीत सुहाने, माने ना जियरा लाख बहाने, याद तिहारी आए सताए, मन लागे रे बचताने हो मोरे सैया, मैं लागू तोरे भैया, भला ना जाओ परदे, सजना जी करूं मैं कैसे राजी, पिया जी भूल न जान दे। वो मन की पीड़ा कोई न जाने, ना तू जाने मैं जानू, न जाने वैरी ये दुनिया, आए न बादल नीर बहाने, ना कोई भवरा न कलियां मुरझाए, हाय बगिया, लड़ पछताऊं समझ न पाऊं, रूठे पिया को कैसे मनाऊं, बैठ जिया के किसको दिखाऊं, किसको बताऊं, कलेस हो कलाई न छोड़ रे कलाई, दुहाई भूल न जान दे, मोरे सैया मैं लागू तोरे भैया, भला ना जाओ परदे, लागे जिया कोठे, लागे जिया कोठे, लागे जिया को, लागे जिया को, लागे जिया कोठे।
That was lovely. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
पहली बार मैंने तुम्हें सुना है स्वराज, बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, बहुत अच्छा.
I'd love to come into a school and do a concert for our kids. You know, I'd really love to do a concert for our
Sure,
kids.
sure. After
We'll
the
just
Diwali
plan-
vacation, we will plan this for sure.
plan it. Yes, with
Okay.
you know, full troupe
Yes.
of musicians.
Yes,
We'll
yes.
just
We'll
do
do
a
it.
big concert.
Yes, yes. We can have that. Sure.
Yes, yes. Yes, this is a small thumri, which is sung by Javed Ali and composed by Shankar Mahadevan.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Very nice, Bacha. I think children, Swaraj sir needs a big round of applause or not? Yes. Loved it? Okay. That was good. And
Yes.
yeah, coming to the next thing over here, we have seen your journey and we really enjoyed, knowing about you more, I must say. One more thing, which I will just give me a second here. Yeah. We'll have a vote of thanks from one of our student over here. Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Arya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Your dream doesn't have an expiration date. Take a deep breath and try again this afternoon. Good afternoon, dear all. It's my privilege to present the vote of thanks on behalf of Universal High School. A sincere thanks to our chairman, Mr. Jijas Lal, our director, Ms. Pinky Pujara, and our principal, Ms. Seema Gupta, for giving us this opportunity to come together and learn from the valuable experiences of Mr. Swaraj Sarkate. Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable experiences and honoring this session by bestowing your inspirational thoughts and taking us through your journey. We are very grateful to have you here with us, sir. Lastly, thank you to all the students and teachers who were part of this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Swaraj. It was nice having you.
Yes.
And
That
looking
was
forward.
so
Yes, beta.
really lovely vote of thanks, and I'd like to say to all the students present over here that am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible. Yes.
Yes. I'd like to say to every student that Seema ma'am is my all-time favorite teacher, and I hope she goes too, because I have a different kind of respect for Seema ma'am, and she has seen me from a very young age, and it was my honor to be here today.
I've seen you as a small baby.
Yeah.
All the best, Faraj. Do well, and all the best for all the future endeavors, Vita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And
Yeah.
it was an honor. And thank you so much to all the students who listened to me today. And all the best for your future, everyone. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Vita. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.